Today's Thursday, September 12th. This is the 1976 General Motors Valve In Receiver restoration for my friend Chris in Tennessee. This is going into his vintage Buick, and these particular units are identical to what was used in the Cadillac units. And we can see how contaminated these units are internally. Okay, this is the Cadillac one, and this is what came out of Chris's unit right there. So the unit has been completely restored. All 6 of the seals, including the 2 canister seals and the O-ring that goes inside the evaporator tubing, and the filter and desiccant bag will be replaced, as well as 2 additional seals internally. So the unit has been cleaned, and as much of the original patina has been salvaged. Okay, the cadmium dichromate colorizing. So Chris is an originalist, and instead of taking it down to bare metal, I've tried to preserve as much of the patina as possible, since he's an originalist and a meticulous owner of period correct restoration of his vintage Buick, as I am as well for my vintage Cadillac car. So this is Georgia, Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts. This is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. I'll show the final assembly once it's fully assembled. Today is Thursday, September 12th. I have over 375,000 original vintage General Motors parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado, which I specialize in. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the AC programmable controllers, the in-dash controllers, which these will be going to Paul Miller in Washington as the next restoration order. And today is Thursday, September 12th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.